Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a retwist, and I already washed my hair. As you can see, it's doing its thing. So I'm gonna use this product. I'm gonna use this product to retwist. I picked it up at the beauty supply store, and it is made by African Pride. It is the Black Castor Miracle Braid Lock and Twist Gel, and it is the extra hold. It doesn't have any parabens or sulfates or mineral oils, and it has black castor and coconut oil. Yeah, I'm excited to try it. So this, of course, gonna be my first time trying this. I've been wanting to try it for a while, but just never got brave enough. I just went ahead and got it because the products I usually use, I didn't have them, and I wanted to retwist my hair like soon instead of waiting for something to come through the mail. Okay, this is what the texture looks like. It's, you know what? I can tell it has a good amount of water in it, because when I do this, you see the gloss and stuff, but it's not like, it's not extremely sticky, you know? It's like, to me, it's lighter than some edge controls. Like, it's not nearly as thick and sticky as I thought it was gonna be. It smells really good, so it doesn't have a horrible smell. See, that's how it looks once you scrape it out. So look at that. And that, I want you to get a good look at it so it'll focus. That's the color. So I'm gonna get started with my retwist and let you all know how I like. Let's get into this quick link check. Look at this. Boom. I had to stand up so y'all can see. Well, get on my tiptoes a little. So far it's not as, like I said earlier, it's not nearly as sticky as I thought it was gonna be just by looking at it. Like, it melts into your hair pretty good. So in my opinion, it's pretty water soluble. It's not just gonna just stay on there, if that makes sense. It's not waxy or not waxy type of sticky. It's not like that at all. That's how you know my locks grew. Y'all used to be able to see my locks when I be like this, but not no more. But yeah, I'm gonna keep retwisting and come back when I have some more to say. But so far, I'm liking it. It's not too sticky. That's what I like about it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the first little part I did. Usually I start on this side. It threw me off to start on this side. I couldn't get my parts together like I wanted to, because I'm so used to starting over there, and then when I start over here, it's like I know my locks better. It's weird. But anyways, about to show y'all this first section I got done. There is, hopefully it don't look too, but so far I'm liking this lock gel. I mean, it's not, my lock's not really stiff. Honestly, they really not. I see it like maybe 1 or 2 white spots in this area. But it's not anything. I need to get that. It's not anything out of the ordinary for me when I retwist my locks. So I always see some type of white spots somewhere. But it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna move on to this side. More I realized, why do I even try to even think that my part's gonna be, you know, because my lock's so thick you can never see my parts like ever. Even when I have a retwist, you can't really just see my parts like for real, because my locks are so thick. And I'm starting to realize they're actually getting thicker. So yeah, that's something I'm gonna have to like pay attention to. I could tell, like, look at this over here. Like, my locks always been thick, but when I let them hang like this, they have gotten thicker, definitely. And I can't tell how thick they've gotten until I actually do a retwist. And they definitely have gotten long, because y'all used to be able to see my locks like in the camera easy. Now I have to do this, but I might just, you know, adjust this some and maybe you see it like that. But I gotta stand back, so yeah, my locks are getting right there. My locks are getting really long. I gotta put the camera down a lot lower.
Show it off, every curve, every part, yeah. Cause I'm strong and I love the skin. I'm in every shape, every inch. No doubt there's power deep within, yeah. Beauty ain't a color, ain't a number, ain't an age, nah. Beauty comes in every size and every shade, yeah. I'm perfect just the way I'm made, yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Look, this is my thickest lock, I believe. I think. And it's flat like right here. So I'm gonna palm roll that part and try to yeah, get it back to the shape it's supposed to be. We finna see. Trying to get it back, because baby, it is flat right there. Like right there, right here, the shape is fine. It's up in here. And I think, I don't know why it's like that, but it is my thickest lock. Ooh, it's so thick. This lock's so thick. I hope. Ooh. See, it's hard to do because they're so far up. Okay, the shape trying to do something. It's trying to do something. But I just have to keep palm rolling it. It's starting to do a little something. But look at this. Boom. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Look at that in it. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. So I moved to the front. I did these two. Man, my locks have grown so much, y'all. I'm so like, wow. Wow. I remember when I was happy for my locks just to get hit my shoulder and look, especially the ones in the front. Y'all know they always been small. Like, I remember originally my plan was to make all my locks this size, but that didn't happen, of course. They so small. But they're mighty. My hair texture in the front. My hair in the front always been thinner though. Like when I was a loose natural, when I was relaxed and everything.
I'ma be my best self. I'm loving who I be. I'ma be my best self. There's no one else like me. Self-love, self-help, self-care, self-healing, self-worth, self-aware. My best self. Loving every part of me. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be
it for anything. I do see some whiteness, but I'm gonna run a blow dry over it, because usually when I run a blow dry over my hair, it goes away. And usually when I get like whiteness on my hair when I'm using the product, it's usually because my hair is still really wet in some areas. Because I know over here my hair was still really wet, versus like in the back it was pretty much dry really good. So I'm just gonna run a blow dry over it. It went away. See, it's gone now. All that whiteness is gone because the blow dry, the heat like kind of helped melts the product, and in my mind it released the oils. In my mind, I don't know, but okay. My first impression of this, I love the way it holds. That's the thing. But one thing I will say, if you're gonna use it, do not, make sure your hair is dry. It's dry pretty decent, you know, not all the way dry, but it don't need to be too damp. Because over here my hair was so damp, and it just, usually like when I use other products like my favorite one, and my hair is damp, it's fine, you know. But with this, it just don't work that well. But overall, I like it so far. My hair is not stiff, it still moves. As you can see, it still moves, so that's good. I like the way it looks. It smells good. The consistency is not as thick as I thought it would be. It's kind of like, it's actually a little bit thinner than some edge controls. But the biggest thing is, would I use this product again? That is still being written. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna use this all up, but am I gonna purchase it again? I'll know in a couple of weeks. It depends on how my hair look in a couple of weeks and how my hair reacts to it as, you know, the days progress and stuff. So if you all want me to do like an update on how I like the product, just let me know and I can do that. But so far, it's pretty good. I mean, just the biggest thing is not using it when your hair is like super duper damp. Get that water out your hair, because it don't react well to that. But, and another thing I do like about it, and it did it mention? Yeah, it's really not, it's a little sticky, but not extremely, honestly. Not too extremely sticky. But yeah, it's pretty, it added a little shine to it, especially when I put that blow dry over it. But yeah, oh, let me turn around to the back. Let me see the back. See the side. See the side. That's the back. That's the back. It feels good. I love it. I love it. So that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you can know every time your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. And as always, I'm so glad y'all stopped by. Just if you have any questions, just leave them down below. And if you tried this product, let me know how did you like it. And if you want a update video, let me know and I can record that. So I'm holler at y'all later.